Hi everyone, we are doing the standard algorithm, 2 digits times 2 digits, 73 times 45. As always, I encourage you to be trying it on your own, pause and unpause the video, but try some of the steps on your own so that you can see how you're doing and you can learn more that way rather than just watching. But we're going to go ahead and get started. So 7 and the 3 are on the same team, 4 and the 5 are on the same team. So we want to keep that in mind. We are going to do 73 times 5 first. And then we're going to do 73 times 4, or rather 40, by putting the 0 in. And if you get overwhelmed, or if it just helps you, cover these and then just think about the 5. So 73 times 5. Right to left, we're going to do 5 times 3 and carry, and then 5 times 7. 5 times 3 is 15. And then 5 times 7 is 35, plus 1 is 36. So 73 times 5 is 365. We're finished with the 5. Cross it out, and you can cross this out too if you want to. Coming down, we're now just going to do the orange. So we're going to do 4 times 73, but that 4 isn't a 4. It's really a 40. But all you have to do to show that is put a 0 here. So now you're just going to do the same thing that you did with the 5, but this time with the 4. So 4 times 3 and carry, and then 4 times 7. And that's it. Go ahead, pause, try that, and then come back and check it. So 4 times 3 is 12. I'm going to carry the 1, put the 2 down here. 4 times 7 is 28, plus 1 is 29. Okay, now this 292 is 4 times 73. And then 40 times 73 is 2920, 2,920. That's pretty cool that a 0 can do that. To find the total, all you have to do now is add them up. So go ahead, pause, add them up, come back and check your answer with me. So 5 plus 0 is 5, 6 plus 2 is 8, 3 plus 9 is 12, 1 plus 2 is 3, 3,285.